everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dolako. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this turban, and I'm also going to show you 2 ways to tie this turban. On this channel, I post DIY videos on how to make different kinds of headwears. If you like what you're seeing and you'd like to see more of this, please join the family. Click on the subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and be sure to select the options to receive all notifications so you don't miss out on any of my tutorials.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
I'm using Lycra for this project. Lycra, you can use any light stretchy fabric of choice. So I have my fabric in fold. My fabric is in fold this way, and the measurement is 30 inches in fold by 15 inches. 30 inches in fold by 15 inches. If I open this up, I have 60 inches by 15 inches width. It depends on how stretchy your fabric is. Between 40, 50 to 60 inches is fine for the length part. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take this to my sewing machine. I have this is the wrong side of the fabric facing up. I'm going to be folding each edge in just by half an inch into 2. I fold the thing like this, and I'm going to sew all the way down. I'm going to sew. I come to this side, I repeat the same procedure. I fold into 2, and I'm going to sew all the way down. Or another option is to take it to a weaving machine, a serger, an overlocker, and overlock the edges. So I'm going to do that, and I'll come back to show you the next step. Now, as you can see, I folded it into 2, and I sewed the edges on both sides like that all the way down. Okay, now the next step is for us to turn it. That's the right side facing up, and we're going to fold it into 2 this way. Fold it into 2 this way. This is a fold, so I folded it into 2 this way. From this point, I'm going to measure 14 inches. 14 inches, and I'm going to mark. So from here to here is 14 inches. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine now. I'm going to sew from here. I'll just sew it like this and sew it this way. From here I sew, from here I just sew, like I do a curve right here. I just sew it like this. So from here I sew like this up to this point. Alright friends, I've sewn it from here up to this point. Sew it like this, and our turban is ready. Now I'm going to show you how to tie this beautiful turban.